trailer for my walk behind tractor. I do apologise to start off with for the sunshine. I can't really do a lot about that. It's got 4 wheels, which is better than 2. Each wheel has its own axle running all the way through it. Underneath, it's a rod that runs from here all the way through the side. I'll show you wheels in a minute. On the back we've got the back lights, which is here and here, indicators right and left. Up above there is a stop light, obviously for the brake pedal, to show traffic when you're stopping. The wheels themselves are fastened on. There's 2 bolts on the back ones and 1 bolt on the front. On the front itself, again, we've got an indicator on this side. There's one on the other side. Also on this side here is the brake pedal that works the brakes for the wheels. On this side of the seat there is the switches for the lights, and there's also this one here which works the indicators. The seat itself lifts up so I can put odds and ends in. I have at the moment some plastic which covers the trailer if I'm fetching such as soil and stuff like that. In the back of here we've got some bits and bobs. This is always kept. It's the stand for the tractor in case I need to disconnect the trailer when I'm out. I've got this runner. Now this runner is it's just basically when I've got this or tractor tools in here, they're not rolling up and down the tractor when I'm moving about. That's why that's there. There's a little thing at the side of it. I'm not sure whether you can see it from here properly, but I'll show you in a minute. And that holds my chainsaw. Now this comes out and this comes out, so I've got a big trailer. Also inside we've got 2 bottles of this, and it's petrol. It's 2 bottles, half a litre in each bottle, and that's as a just in case I break down somewhere, well, run out of petrol somewhere, I can always just chuck that in, and I know for anywhere I am that it'll get me home. Morning, cat. The back of this drops down. Obviously to put things in, or if you've got anything that's bigger than what the trailer is, you can let that down, leave it down while you're travelling along, or somebody can sit on the back of that, which is a great problem. It's just a couple of hooks that I made myself, just to hold it all in place. Like I said before, this part actually does come out. The reason that I have it in, as I said, is for tools, but if I take this out it means that my strimmer can fit onto this trailer, because this strimmer is longer than what this trailer is, but with this here obviously it won't fit. Also the 1-foot chainsaw, which I'll show you in a few minutes, comes out, but I'll leave it in. But as if by TV magic, what we'll do, we'll take that out, and hey presto, it's gone, and then we fit our strimmer. As you can see, the strimmer fits literally perfectly in the trailer. And sometimes I have to also take the chainsaw. Like I mentioned earlier, it fits into this. Well, these 2 bolts here will release, and this comes out. When I ain't got a chainsaw, normally I'll take that out because it actually rattles up and down, but when chainsaw's in it, it doesn't. And that's how it fits. The only thing that holds it in, it won't come out when I'm travelling, is this locking pin. You lift the pin out under that, take your saw around, put it in, and there, stick this pin in the hole, chainsaw fits. The centre of the trailer here, I can carry my that sort of thing all fits in the centre, which I'm not going to get out for obvious reasons. But it's a very practical trailer for what I need, or what I need to carry about. If I need to carry some long piece of wood, I can take the trimmer out and I can lower the bike, and I can put long pieces of wood in place of the trimmer. I can take the chainsaw out. I can then have long pieces of wood in the side. As I say, under the seat there's a piece of plastic that's been cut and stuck in a certain shape, and it actually fits from here, top of here, right through to the seat, so I can carry soil or anything else that I need. But the most important bit is this part, and that part has to travel everywhere, because that part, as I say, is the stand for the tractor. But everything seems to fit okay. The only thing I'm going to do, which I've noticed that needs doing, is I just need to make a strap for the strimmer, just to hold it in place, and that I'll do it at some later point in time. But yeah, everything fits as it should do, everything travels as it should do. It's very smooth ride and everything when it's on the road, not so much on my grass. But yeah, everything fits, and that's basically it. I will on another video make a video about how it's connected to the tractor, but I'm not going to do it on this I'm not going to do it on this video, should I say. I'll get there in a minute. For the simple reason is it wants another little piece put in onto it. But as it is at the moment, it is usable, and it works very well. Again, I'm very sorry about the sunshine. There's nothing I can do about it. Everything's just very bright, and on this I don't think that you've got any choice of how to turn the brightness down. And there you can't go. Yes, you can, but it's either up or down. While I'm on this video, I'd just like to say thank you to somebody. I'm not going to say who it is, for making it possible for me to have this tractor. It makes me work so much easier, so much easier, and that person made it possible for me to get this tractor. Anyway, going back, yeah, everything fits as it should, and it's a brilliant little run around for taking stuff from A to B. It costs nothing. 3 litres of petrol. I think it's, well, it'll last for a week. I would say running about 3 litres. It does all our garden, complete garden with the rotavator, less than 3 litres, so you can imagine how much it doesn't use. The engine that's in this tractor is 225cc, and it's 7 horsepower, so it'll really pull anything. As long as the wheels have got grip, it'll pull anything. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, and I'll leave you with 2017 Tractor Parade, just a few snippets from it.
Если нам скажут, ваш поезд ушел, мы ответим просто, что подождем другой. И чтоб на перроне скучать не пришлось, мы накроем стол и выпьем за любовь, и будет хорошо. Все будет хорошо, все будет хорошо, я это знаю, знаю. Хорошо, все будет хорошо, ой, чувствую, я девки загуляю, ой, загуляю. Если на утро болит твоя голова, мы скажем прямо, ты не умеешь петь. Но как и некрасиво лечиться одному, но лучше с коллективом выпить по чуть-чуть, и будет хорошо. Все будет загуляю.
Григорій робить помилки.
Есть такое спортлото, полюбила, но не то. Вымрала в любви джекпот, присмотрела
Є
идиот.
помилка ще
Я
одна.
для всех накрыла стол, здесь теперь и рассола. Будем мы сейчас гулять, наливать и выпивать. Хорошо, все будет хорошо, все будет хорошо, я это знаю. Хорошо, все будет хорошо, но чувствую я девки загуляю до субботы только. Хорошо, все будет хорошо, я это знаю. Хорошо, все будет хорошо, ой, чувствую я девки загуляю. Ой, загуляю. Давай, Лёша! Давай, давай! Лёня Рамштайн! Давай, давай!
Молодці. Подивіться, яка завтра боротьба. Мабуть, зараз газувати. Ось тут. Та, мабуть, не розпочати запитали.